What's up, guys? It's 12:56. Let's give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I got a squishy and slime package. So let's just reach into the box. It was listed as a mystery thingy. So reach in. Oh, I feel a squishy. This is so cute. It doesn't really smell that all great, but it's pretty big. Okay, this is weird, but it's sort of sticky. Like, it's sticky in the right way, kind of. Macaroon. It's not a squishy. Where is this from? It was made in China. Okay, what is it? Feels like, I'm pretty sure it's a slime. I'll let you guys have a first look at it. This is probably gonna be pretty yellow. Oh, there's bubbles in it, and it's not even yellow. Like, look, it's not even yellow. That's disappointing. I would think it'd be a yellow, like a very pretty yellow. It's an orange, so maybe there's like a red, or maybe there's just an orange one. Because like you can kind of, if you stretch it, you can kind of see a yellow. Okay, never mind. But yeah, now it's that. I'm kind of liking the squishy package, but at the same time, oh, I found the same kind of shape. So, moment of truth. Is this one red or orange or whatever other color? Is it this side? It's this side. Oh, it's red! No, it isn't. It's the same exact. Wait a minute. These are like the same exact color. And there's oh, I think these were mixed. Maybe. Possibly. There is a possibility of that, but there's also a possibility that there isn't. Oh, okay. I like this, but it's too big and you can tell which one is the side. I just can't get it off. So pretty much, yeah. Oh, guys. I know I promised you an underwater video, but there was no underwater footage, so please don't be mad at me. Last thing was squishy. This is so cute. They're little friends. It smells good. It smells really good. It has a little bit of a defect right there, but I guess if you don't touch it, it won't be that much. Yo, do you guys hear that? I'd say this is a pretty good video. Okay stuff in the package, but okay. The calyx, I just got really close to the camera. The calyx of the squishy is defected, but I'd say that's about it. So that's it for today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Like, just smash that like button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, that was a bad idea. Juggle. I know how to juggle. I don't, but I know how to. Oh my god, I'm being so. This is when I start. Okay, but that should wrap it up for today's video. I will see you guys all Monday. Bye. Bye. I will see you guys on Monday. I'll have to edit this part out. It's too late.